So hello friends, how are you? Welcome to my channel in our new videos. So how are you friends? Thank you. Have a nice day for watching this video. And I am also now happy that you can see that. Yes, and now today the Sunday and it is the evening time. I'm just going to make you one videos in related to that how I should improve our English language. Guys, first of all, I am inside a room and you can see guys in behind me that is also godless, and now I able to speak English fluently without any fear. So friends, the thing is that whenever you are thinking that yes, I should have to make 20 videos, I should have to choose a particular job topics, you can do that. Okay, so the thing is that whenever you are thinking that yes, I have to do something, I have to tell something in English, so before telling English you should have to think in English. Okay, if you are thinking in your mother tongue, in your local language, and you are converting, so it takes some time to convert it. So whenever you think in English directly, then you can automatically speak out, okay, in English one. So you should not have to do nothing, but you should have to think deeply through English. Okay, English language, you can say that yes, it helps us a lot. Whenever you are thinking that yes, I should have to improve my language, then you can automatically improve, because most of the people, they are watching only the videos, only they are studying, not practicing daily. Speaking practice that enhance your the confidence level, that increase your energy level. So whenever you are thinking yes, I should have to do something, as I am practicing, as I am recording my videos and audios in front of my camera, and I'm just trying it, because most of the people, they are not just trying to record their videos. If you have mirror in your home, in your house, then you can automatically watch your views, watch your image in mirror. So in that case you can automatically grab, in that case you can automatically select your mistake, and by the help of this mirror you can also eradicate your the mistakes that you should not have to make such type of mistake. So if you once understood that yes, I am making mistake and I should have to avoid it, I should have to learn from my mistake, then automatically you should have to choose this way. So most of the people, they are just ignoring, and they are just saying that yes, English is not possible by me. Most of the people, they are thinking, they are also speaking like this. Okay, so we should not have to, never, we should not have to forgive. If we forgive once, then English, that means everything becomes complex for us. That's why to do something, to start something, okay, to begin something, we should have to make ourselves hard practice and smart practice, that is more important, both of us, that can help you to understand that yes, today I am practicing, means today I am doing hard work, means one day I will achieve a big achievement also. So like this also, that you can automatically start. Okay, if you are fearing, that is not just fearing, that means you are just wasting your time by speaking something. If you are using this language as a local language, then automatically you can improve your, you can enhance your vocabularies, you can also improve your communication skills. Okay, whenever you are thinking that yes, you are making video, you are uploading any videos, means you are not just going to be learn. No, you are automatically engaged in the social media, and you should have to make many the work, the activity, the function that you should have to do every day. And if you are thinking that yes, in which topic I should make videos, yes, this is the main topic. There is more and more topics you can choose as per your choice. As I am choosing that yes, how I should improve my language, you can see that I am speaking continuously, and this is one of my topics. Like that, you can also choose to one topic, and you should have to explain everything in English. If you start once, then automatically the the thinking, the many motivation speakers, okay, the once you think, the many motivation things that will comes to your mind, and automatically you can able to make any videos, any contents. Okay, so this is the biggest problem, that most of the people also, they are thinking about that in which topic I should make videos. Okay, so you should not have to worry about it, you should not have to fear of it, you should not have to hesitate about it. You can automatically start the things. Okay, so in this video I am not going to tell everything, but I have to make many videos, I have to share information through many short videos also. And keep watching continuously, and I am also here to continuously upload the videos. And if you do not subscribe my channel, then subscribe, and we shall meet in another videos. For that, thank you, have a nice day for watching my videos.